Easter bunny bait. Hey Rachel, former staffer and friend of the show, Hallie here, and you know what's almost here? Easter. And while Easter tends to be all about the kiddos, I'm here to show you how to make 2 super simple DIY baskets for the adults in your life. Starting with this Easter bunny bait, something that even the kids might want to get their hands on since it's basically a candy bar, except way more festive. You'll need 3 cups of white chocolate chips, green food coloring, green and orange sprinkles, and candies that look like carrots. 'Cause, you know, bunnies love carrots. Start by lining a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Melt your white chocolate in the microwave, making sure to stop and stir about every 20 seconds until it's nice and smooth. Next, take out your white chocolate, pour it out onto the baking sheet and spread it around until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Add a few dots of food coloring and use a dinner knife to create a swirly pattern. Top it all off with some sprinkles and some candy and let it set in the fridge for about an hour. You can also make a pretty pastel version using pastel food coloring, pastel sprinkles, and Easter candies. Then when it's nice and firm, use a knife to help break your Easter bark into chunks. Once you've done that, fill your berry baskets with crinkle paper, place your chocolate inside, and tie it all together with twine and a tag reading Easter bunny bait. Then leave it out for your loved ones to find and enjoy. Happy Easter, Rach! Next up, Boozy Bunny Cocktail Kit. We're talking spiked coffee, people, because let's be honest, the kids get up at the crack of dawn to go hunt eggs, and mom and dad could use a little boost. For each cocktail, you're gonna need a hollow chocolate bunny, strong chilled coffee, simple syrup, Irish whiskey, heavy cream, and some edible flowers and mint leaves to garnish. Then fill a berry basket with crinkle paper, place your chocolate bunny inside the basket along with your 4 corked glasses, a straw, and your garnishes, then tie twine around the basket and add a gift tag reading Boozy Bunny Kit. Keep your baskets in the fridge until it's time to serve. Mix the ingredients in a cocktail shaker, pour it over ice, garnish, and enjoy.
Thank you so much, Hallie. Again, that was hoppin' good advice.